In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Rich Filter in Jira. To get started, open Jira and sign into your account. Make sure you are logged into the correct Jira site and that you have the permissions needed to install apps. If you don't see the options mentioned in this tutorial, it may simply mean your account doesn't have admin access. Once you are inside Jira, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and click on the Apps menu. This is where you can manage and discover add-ons that extend Jira's functionality. After opening that menu, select Explore More Apps. This will take you to the Atlassian Marketplace section connected to your Jira instance, where you can browse available apps. When that page opens, go to the search bar and type Rich Filters for Jira Dashboards. Then press Enter on your keyboard. Searching by the full app name helps make sure you find the correct result quickly, especially since there may be several similar apps available. From the search results, open Rich Filters for Jira Dashboards by AppFire. It's a good idea to check the publisher name so you know you are selecting the right app. Once you are on the app page, click Try it for free. This begins the process of adding the app to your Jira environment through a trial installation. After that, click Review. This is usually the stage where Jira shows you a summary of what you are about to install. Take a quick moment to confirm that the app name is correct and that everything looks right before moving on. Next, click Start Free Trial to begin the installation. At this point, Jira will start installing the app in the background. This can take a little time, so don't worry if it doesn't appear immediately. Just give it a moment to complete. Once the installation is finished, refresh the page after reloading. Go back to the apps list and you should now see Rich Filter added there. That confirms the installation was successful, and from this point you can start using the app in Jira. If you don't see it right away after refreshing, wait a few more seconds and refresh again, since some Jira instances can take a bit longer to update the menu. And that's it. You've successfully installed Rich Filter in Jira and it's now ready to use. Thanks for watching.